In the following demonstration, we will illustrate the integration of OpenAI into a mixed reality experience using a customized avatar. This demonstration is an extension of our custom avatar configuration to illustrate the integration of OpenAI for a more enhanced non-player character, known as NPC, for interaction. We are using a text entry to receive the user input for the current demonstration. However, this can be easily converted to using the user's voice for driving the same results. It should also be noted that we can similarly convert the response from the text format to actual audio, hence creating a more realistic experience. It is important to emphasize the dynamic nature of this demonstration and interaction. All object, interaction, avatars and user interfaces are data-driven and dynamically generated. This allows for great flexibility and customization of scenario creation. Thank you for watching. For more information on mixed reality applications and how it can benefit your organization, please visit us at www.noorcon.com or send us an email at sales@noorcon.com.